In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to labels in Activecollab. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your labels more visual so your tasks stand out at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Activecollab. From the search results, head to the official site. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're new, click Try for free and provide the requested information to register. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your workspace. Keep your organization name and workspace details simple and recognizable so your team can easily find what they need later. Once you're in, open a project that contains the label you want to color. You'll usually find your projects listed on the main dashboard or in the Projects section. Pick the specific project where those task labels live, so any changes you make will be applied where you actually work. Next, access label management. At the top of the project view, look for the three dots next to the project's name. Click those dots to open the menu, then select Manage Task Labels. This takes you to the central place where labels for this project are created, edited, and organized. Find the label you want to color. Each label should be listed by name. Hover over the label, then click the three dots next to it. This gives you quick actions for that label without affecting the others. Choose Edit from the menu. The Edit panel will open, allowing you to change settings for this specific label. If you're maintaining a naming convention, this is a good time to check that the label's name is clear and consistent with the rest of your system. Now pick a color. You'll see a color selection drop-down or palette. Choose a color that matches your team's color coding scheme. For example, you might reserve warm colors for urgent work and cooler tones for routine tasks. Aim for strong contrast so labels are readable on both light and dark backgrounds, and consider color-blind friendly choices like blue and orange pairings. Finally, save your changes by clicking the Save button. The new color will apply to all tasks using that label throughout the project, helping everyone spot category or priority at a glance. If the color doesn't update immediately, refresh the page to see the changes. That's it. You searched for Activecollab, registered or signed in, opened your project, managed task labels, edited the right label, chose a color, and saved. Apply the same steps for any other labels to build a clear, consistent visual system for your team.